Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to make an ice cream sundae. Step 1. Clean the surface. Step 2. Grab a bowl. Step 3. Grab an ice cream scooper. Step 4. Grab the ice cream. Step 5. Open the ice cream. Step 6, take the ice cream scooper, stick it in the ice cream, and just take the ice cream out and plop it in the bowl. And repeat. Step 7. Get whipped cream. Original. Step 8. Grab whipped cream. And shake. Step 9. Step 10. Grab a spoon. Put it in the bowl. Step 11. Enjoy. Step 12. Clean the surface. Clean the surface. Step 13. Clean it again, I guess. I don't know what's going on here. Should be just thank you and have a great day. Subscribe.